Have you ever heard of a Bermuda Triangle? In space, it sounds like something out of science fiction, but this mystery is very real, and it's growing. High above the South Atlantic Ocean lies one of the most puzzling and concerning anomalies in modern space science, known as the South Atlantic Anomaly, or SAA. This region has captured the attention of scientists, engineers, and space agencies around the world. But what exactly is it? Why does it exist? And should we be worried? The South Atlantic Anomaly is an area where the Earth's magnetic field is significantly weaker than in surrounding regions. This weakening allows harmful radiation from the sun and cosmic sources to come unusually close to the Earth's surface. Most of the time, our planet's magnetic field acts like a protective bubble, shielding us from high-energy particles. But over this patch of ocean near Brazil, that shield is thinning, getting thinner. When satellites and spacecraft pass through this region, strange and sometimes alarming things happen. Electronics glitch. Instruments go haywire. Even astronauts aboard the International Space Station report seeing sudden flashes of light behind their eyelids as they pass through the zone. It's caused by charged particles interacting directly with their retinas. To protect sensitive equipment, some satellites actually shut down non-essential systems while passing through the anomaly. It's not superstition, it's real science. But what causes the South Atlantic Anomaly? The answer lies deep beneath our feet. The Earth's magnetic field is generated by the movement of molten iron in its outer core, a process known as the geodynamo. But this process isn't perfectly uniform. There are irregularities where the magnetic field is weaker or stronger. Due to the way molten metals move within the Earth, one such irregularity lies beneath southern Africa, and it's believed to be responsible for creating the anomaly above the South Atlantic. What's even more concerning is that the anomaly isn't stable. It's expanding. Satellite data collected over the past few decades reveals that the SAA is slowly drifting westward, and it's growing in size. Some researchers suggest this could be an early warning sign of a geomagnetic reversal, where the Earth's magnetic north and south poles flip. This kind of reversal happens roughly every 200,000 to 300,000 years, though the last one occurred almost 800,000 years ago, so we may be overdue. Now, a geomagnetic reversal wouldn't happen overnight. It would unfold over thousands of years. But during the transition, our magnetic field could weaken even more, exposing the Earth to increased radiation from space. This could have serious consequences, not only for satellites and astronauts, but for navigation systems, power grids, and all kinds of technologies that depend on magnetic stability. Despite its dramatic nickname, the South Atlantic Anomaly isn't something that should keep us awake at night, but it is something we need to keep an eye on. Space agencies like NASA and the European Space Agency continuously monitor this region using satellites, ground-based observatories, and computer models. They track its size, shape, and intensity, adjusting satellite paths and calibrating instruments to reduce the impact of this mysterious zone. Interestingly, some people have speculated about more exotic explanations. Could there be something beneath the Earth's crust affecting the magnetic field? Could the anomaly be tied to deep geological structures or even something extraterrestrial? While these theories make for fascinating stories, current scientific consensus sticks with the natural explanation. Irregularities in the Earth's core dynamics are the most likely culprit. The South Atlantic Anomaly is a powerful reminder that Earth is not a static planet, so our magnetic field is dynamic, alive, and constantly evolving. It also reminds us just how interconnected our planet is with space, and how changes deep within the Earth can influence what happens far above it. As we send more satellites, build space stations, and plan missions to the moon and beyond, understanding regions like the SAA becomes even more important. So the next time you hear about glitches in space or satellite anomalies over South America, you'll know what's really behind them. It's not superstition or science fiction, it's the strange and evolving mystery of the South Atlantic Anomaly. And though it may not have claimed ships like the Bermuda Triangle, it continues to baffle and challenge some of the brightest minds on the planet. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of space science's most fascinating mysteries, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more weekly explorations, and let us know in the comments, what do you think is causing the South Atlantic Anomaly? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.